Thank you very much, everybody out there. My name is Martuno Brian, and the Chief Executive Officer of Nilotic Gates, and also the Chief Executive Officer of Agriculture Aid Cornerstone. Well, I have a major update about the security of those two. Of course, Agriculture Aid Cornerstone is a CPU, and Nilotic Gates is an aspiring media company. So, one of our devices has been stolen some 2 days ago. That's Samsung Galaxy M51. It is one of the 15 devices that stores the account of Nilotic Gates and Agriculture Aid Cornerstone. Most of all the documents in those devices have been recovered using remote technology. Videos and photos and other files have been recovered. And also, one thing I can inform you is the account is secure because we have a high tech that cannot make the account to go missing. And we have also reported to the police about the missing phone, which went with two documents that we are not backed up on our cloud. That is the pattern food wastage footprint that would have guaranteed us the first donation, and also the software for poultry management, which took me 2 years to develop it, because for me I did not study software engineering, so I always learn tutorial from many people, then I apply it like a layman. But it was about to be launched. Unfortunately, we did not back it, so it was just offline. So now we want to inform you that everything is under control. We are tracking the phone. That phone, it's either the person will not use it, or if the person uses it, we are going to get the phone. That's one thing I can assure you people, guys. Always continue to support Nilotic Gates. Continue to support programs which are also supported by Nilotic Gates, like the environmental conservation, promoting modern agriculture, and promoting also culture. Right now, I'm in Abim district, but soon I'll be back to my hometown. Thank you very much.